guys, it's Eileen and welcome from Universal's Dockside Hotel. So this is my first time staying at a Universal resort. It was such a perfect staycation. I loved it here. There's so many nice amenities. We got it at a really good deal. So if you're a Florida resident, Universal is having a really big sale on their theme park tickets and their hotels. This time I didn't go to the theme parks just because we weren't here for so many days. I was doing a staycation, more for like relaxing. I think I paid a little less than $200 for 2 nights, 3 days. This resort is a Universal value resort. It was so much fun staying here. So they have 3 bars, 2 poolside, 1 in the lounge. There is a Starbucks downstairs. That was just amazing to have right with us. There's a Universal store in the lobby. You could get a car rental here. They have a really nice gym, a game room, so much more. This hotel is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys around. And it's also Christmas, so I'm gonna show you all the decorations. The concierge gave me the option to either be on a higher floor or a lower floor, so I did the higher floor for the view. And yeah, let me show you guys my room and then I'll show you guys the resort and the amenities. Let's get started. I'm so excited. I've been needing a staycation for so long. So first off, I love these tall curtains. This gives luxury. And it has a sheer curtain along with a blackout curtain. And look how insane my view is. Look at this. So gorgeous. The pool is huge, and if you could see, there's like a little part of the pool that has actual sand in it, which is very cool. And there is the poolside bar. They have like ping pong tables. If you wanted to bring food to the pool, you can. You just bring it from the market in the lobby and you have yourself a nice little pool day with the fam. Now, if I could be honest, I'm in Tower 2. I'm all the way at the itty bitty end, just on the other side. So like probably like the second to last rooms, right? You could either take an elevator down and go out through the parking lot, or you can walk all the way to like elevator in the middle and an elevator at the end. So you could either go down here and then go to the lobby, or you could go down here and then go to the lobby. You could also take food from the market to your room, but it is quite a walk going back and forth with like a really heavy tray. There's no like cart to really take your stuff, so you're gonna have to be carrying everything, which was kind of not easy for me and Brian to do together. But isn't this view amazing? Look, you could see Volcano Bay right there. Then you could also order in-room pizza delivery, which runs through midnight, which is amazing. Sometimes you just don't want to go anywhere. You just want to go to your room and just chill out. They give you a rundown on everything you need to know, such as checking out and also when they come to clean the room, information on the shuttles, the gym, security, and all that. So over here, this is where you enter, safety stuff. Then here is a full-length mirror along with hooks. Here is the sink area with a nice little beauty light. You have your towels here. Then here is the bathroom, nice and small. Hair dryer and some extra towels in the bottom. Then over here is kind of like your wardrobe. Here is a clothing iron along with a table to do your clothing. Here is a luggage holder, a safe. Here you could adjust the temperature to your liking. And then that is the entryway along with the bathroom. And over here you have your double queen room. These were so soft and comfy to sleep in, guys. Now I have lived in this for 2 days, so if anything is wrinkly on the bed, that is my fault. And then here is the TV area. So it has a stool for your vanity. It has drawers. It has a mini fridge right over here. We have a coffee machine, which I did put to use. And then you have all these plugs over here. I know this is like important to some people, so I'll put it in the video. And then I think this is the coolest chair. And it's such a vibe. It has the warm lights in here. We were here reading our comic books. Then over here to the double beds. I'm just gonna start here. This is your nightstand, which is also a chest drawer. Very beachy. You have yourself an alarm. Your little table with a USB connector and 2 outlets. Love these cloth headboards. And these lights are so cute. They're so boat vibes. And then here is some art on the wall. And if you wanted to get adjoining rooms, you can't do that here. Please forgive the towels. But yeah, that is basically it for the room. It was awesome staying in this room. It was very comfortable. Everyone was so nice. But now let's go into the lobby. Now let's go into the lobby. This is so pretty. This pool is so pretty and it's huge, and then we have the wave maker pool bar right over there. I'm here on the side where they have the sand. Oh man, this is dangerous. Alrighty, so we just checked out, but it's a nice resort. It's very small, but it has everything you need, especially the 3 bars. I had a lovely staycation here. The only thing I could really complain about is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi was not that good, and I wasn't even doing much. I wasn't uploading any videos or anything. And on Instagram, and it just wasn't loading. We were also on like the tip end of Tower 2, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but they also have a package to upgrade to like a VIP kind of Wi-Fi thing for $8 more. If you're here for work and you need to do video calls or you need to upload videos on YouTube and stuff like that, you should upgrade, because I didn't like that Wi-Fi. I would definitely stay here again. It was such a nice staycation, so relaxed. It was a little chilly this time around, so I didn't get to go to the pool, so maybe next time, or maybe I go to Surfside. Universal sponsor me. Not sponsored, I promise. I paid this with my own money. Next time you want to go to Universal Studios, book a hotel. You get an hour early entry into the parks. You have complimentary shuttles to the Universal parks and to City Walk too. So if you want to go a little bar hopping, there's a complimentary little bus that takes you. And also when you check out, they let you stay in the resort until like 11. As long as you're out of the room and you're checked out by 11, you could stay in the resorts till 11 p.m. So that was pretty cool. Oh, and one more thing. Parking, if you want to invite someone here, is $45 for the day. This is not for like 4 hours. This is for over 30 minutes. If someone is visiting you for over 30 minutes, they pay 45 bucks for one day. That's all I have to say about that. It was very fun to show you guys. I hope you guys stay here. I'll see you next time. Bye.